everyone, it's Miss Ashtiani here. I hope you've all had a lovely Christmas break and that you all got to enjoy the wonderful snow we had as well. Today we are going to be doing some maths. Are you all ready to be marvellous mathematicians today? You are fantastic! Now, before we get started with our maths lesson, I know that lots of you have already been doing some maths games using Maths Shed and practicing your mental maths skills. So let's have a look at who is in our top 3 for each Year 1 class on Maths Shed. They might even get some Dojo Points. Let's have a look.
We're going to start with 1A. We've got Layla number 1 in 1A, Elliot number 2 and Erin number 3. In 1C, Cason's number 1, Thomas is number 2 and George's number 3. In 1D, we've got Isaac in first place, Matilda in second place and Chloe in third place. And in 1J, we've got Leo in first place, Hugo in second place and Chloe in third place. Well done! The children in first place are all going to get a dojo point. So in 1A, we had Layla, who was in first place. So Layla's getting a dojo point for aspiration. Fantastic work, Layla. Let's have a look at the next class. Who was in first place in 1C? Do you remember? It was Kason. Well done, Kason. You've got a dojo point for aspiration too. Moving on to 1D. Who was in first place in 1D? Do you remember who it was? It was Isaac. Well done, Isaac. Super work. On to the last class, 1J. Who was in first place in 1J? That's right, it was Leo. Super work, Leo. You've got a dojo point for aspiration too.
A big well done to all those children in the 4 Year 1 classes who got to number 1 on Maths Shed. If you would like to get dojo points for practicing your mental maths, then just make sure you go onto Maths Shed using your login details and practice your mental maths skills on there. If you're not sure about what your login details are for Maths Shed, email the Year 1 email address and your teacher can send those to you as well. As our starter today in maths, we're going to play one of our favourite games, Zing, Zang, Zong.
We're going to play the game on the screen. If you would like to play this game at home, then you need another person to play with you. You are each going to say Zing, Zang, Zong. When you say Zong, each of you will hold up a number using your fingers. The first person to add the 2 numbers together on both of your hands and say the answer is the winner. Let's have a look at how this game works. Zing, Zang, Zong. Your turn. Add the 2 numbers together. 2, add 1. You can pause the video here to work it out. Play the video to check. Ready for your check? 2 add 1 equals 3. Zing, Zang, Zong. Your turn. Add the 2 numbers together. 3 add 2. You can pause the video here to work it out and then play the video to do your check. Ready for your check? 3 add 2 equals 5. Again, Zing, Zang, Zong. Your turn. Add the 2 numbers. 4 add 3 equals. Pause the video here to work it out. Play the video to check. Ready for your check? 4 add 3 equals 7.
Right, it's time to start the main part of our maths lesson. Now, before we get started, we need to make sure we're showing the 4 rules of good listening. What are those 4 rules? Can you tell somebody at your house what the 4 rules are? Sitting still, staying quiet, looking at the person who's talking, and listening to all the words. That's right. Okay, I'm going to cover my eyes. When I open my eyes again, I'd like to see you show me the 4 good listening rules. Oh my goodness, just like magic, you've done it. Well done, Year 1. Now then, we're going to get started with our maths lesson. Our learning objective for today's lesson is to count forwards within 50. Lots of us are very good at counting up to 20. I think I'm really good at counting past 20. Do you want to hear? Okay. 20, 12, 30, 50. Yeah. Are you proud of me? Aren't I really good? Oh. You don't think that's not right? Oh. Oopsie. I think I might need a little bit of help. Can you teach me how to count forwards past 20? Please? You will? Oh, fantastic. Thank you. You filled my bucket right up. What kind friends you are.
Today we are learning to count forwards within 50. I've just shown you how I count past 20 and you said that it was wrong. So our big picture is all about helping me count forwards past 20. Our key vocabulary, we've got count and forwards. The big bad wolf has blown some of the numbers off the number track. Can you put them back in the right place? It's my turn. So we've got 20 at the start of the number track. I'm going to think what comes next. 20, 21. So I've got 20, 21. What comes after 21? 22. So I've got 20, 21, 22. What's the next number? It must be 23. So I've got 20, 21, 22, 23. What comes after 23? 24. Wow, let's have a look. What comes after 24? 25. 2 more numbers left. 25, 26. And the last number is 27. Let's read the numbers back together. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. Right, it's an our turn this time. The big bad wolf has blown some numbers off the number track again. Can we put them back in the right place? Going to do it together. It's an our turn. So we've got 27 at the start of the number track. What do you think comes next? You can pause the video to have a think. Play the video for your check. It's 28. So we've got 27, 28. We're counting forwards. What number comes after 28? Have a think. You can pause the video. It's 29. What number comes after 29? 27, 28, 29. 30. That's right. What comes after 30? It's 31. That's right. After 31, 32. 33 is already on the number track, so the last number on our number track is 34. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Well done, everyone. Right then, we've got our chili challenges now. Chili 1 is to use a number line to count forwards from 20 to 30. Chili 2, count forwards from 20 to 50 independently. Chili 3, Miss Ashtiani has been counting on from 20. Has she been counting correctly? 20, 12, 30, 50. Explain your reasoning. Have a look at the different number tracks. Can you work out what the missing numbers are? You can pause the video here to look at the number tracks and work it out. This number track starts at 40 and ends at 50. Can you work out what the missing numbers are in between? This is a Pink for Think challenge. Pause the video here to work it out.
Wow, everybody, you have worked so hard in today's maths lesson. I am so proud of you all. Remember, you can always send the work you've been doing during your home learning to the Year 1 email address for the teachers to see. See you soon. Bye.